Okay guys, welcome to your revision tutorial on division. Okay, we're going to have a look at a few examples of dividing and the actual process in which we use. So, let's go. First example that we are going to have a look at is 2 on 10. What that is actually saying, guys, when we write that fraction on 2 on 10 is 2. This line is divided by 10. I'm saying 2 divided by 10 when I write a fraction of 2 on 10. Not 10 divided by 2, but 2 divided by 10. Because 10 parts are making my whole, and I have 2 of them. So, to divide 2 by 10, I have to make sure that my 10 is on the outside of my division operation. Okay? And I put my division symbol like I have done since primary school. And I'm saying 2. Okay, I'm going to just put 2 zeros for the time being. I'm saying 2 divided by 10. Okay, I start off. Does 10 go into 2? My answer is obviously no. Okay, 10 as a whole number does not go into 2. I put a decimal place there. I carry my 2. Okay, does 10 therefore go into 20 or 20? My answer is yes. It goes twice with no remainder. So 2 on 10 as a decimal is 0.2. That's what we've been learning about today. Okay, converting fractions to decimals using division. Let's have another look, another example. Let's try 4 on 10. Again, that's saying 4 divided by 10. Not 10 divided by 4, but 4 divided by 10. So I put my 10 on the outside of my division operation. I put my 4 on the inside. Okay, and I say, does 10 go into 4? No, it does not. Put my decimal place above my decimal place. This is a really important thing, guys. You must make sure your decimal places are above each other. Okay? Excellent. So then I carry my 4. Does 10 go into 40? Yes, it does. 4 times with no remainder. So this becomes 0.4. As simple as that. Okay, they're 2 really easy examples. Let's look at something a little bit more tricky. Say I have, for example, instead 6 on 24. Okay, so it's not so simple. 6 on 24. Again, that's saying 6 divided by 24. So I'm popping my 24 on the outside, and I'll put 6 on the inside for the moment. Okay, and we ask ourselves the same questions. Does 24 go into 6? My answer is no. Decimal points above decimal points, I carry my 6. Does 24 go into 60? Yeah, it does. 24, 48. So it goes twice, but it has a remainder of 12. Okay, it has a remainder of 12. Does 24 go into 120? Yep, it does. My answer is 5. It's pretty straightforward, guys. It's not too hard. Okay, now I'm going to look at one more example that seemed to confuse a bit of you. Okay, so we had an improper fraction. So it was probably at one point a mixed numeral, and now it's an improper fraction. So 25 on 12, for example. Okay, and you are asked to convert that into a decimal. Now that is saying 25 divided by 12. Not 12 divided by 25, 25 divided by 12. So again, I'm going to do my division guy here. I'm going to go 12, I'm going to 25 point. Let's put a few zeros because I think this one's going to be a bit trickier. Okay, 12 into 25. Does 12 go into 25? Of course it does. It goes twice. Okay, how many remainder? I've got 1 remainder. 12 into 10. Can't do. So I'm going to put the 0 on the top there. Now that whole 10 gets transferred over to the next number. So it becomes 12 into 100. Does 12 go into 100? Sure does. It goes 8 times, okay? So 8 times with a remainder of 4. So 12 eighths, 96, okay? Does 12 go into 40? Sure does. It goes 3 times. 36 with a remainder of 4. Oh, look at that. That looks interesting. That says 4 there. Does 12 go into 40? Yep, sure does. 36 with a remainder 4. Does 12 go into 40? 30. What? This looks like there's a pattern here, hey? Well, there certainly is. It's what we call a reoccurring decimal. So if I kept on going on and on, I'd just keep on repeating the same thing. So 2.083333333333. The way in which we represent that, guys, as a reoccurring decimal is like this. 2.083 reoccurring. It's as straightforward as that, guys. 0.283, and then I just do a little dot above my 3 to say that pattern keeps on going. So that's called a reoccurring decimal. Okay? It's very, very straightforward. And that's it, guys. Let me know if you'd like any more practice.